In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix error code 195 in Adobe After Effects. This error usually means your computer doesn't meet the minimum system requirements for the version you are trying to install. And it's most often tied to an outdated operating system or graphics drivers. Let's walk through what to check and how to get back on track. First, update your operating system. Error 195 commonly appears when installing modern Creative Cloud apps on older builds of Windows 10. Make sure you are on version 1903 or later. On Windows, open Settings, go to Update and Security, and install all pending updates including optional quality updates. On macOS, open System Settings or System Preferences and run Software Update until it reports you are up to date. A reboot after major updates is a good idea before trying the installation again. Next, update your GPU drivers. Whether you are using NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel graphics, outdated drivers can block the installer. Visit your GPU manufacturer's website. Download the latest stable driver for your exact model and install it. If your system has both integrated and dedicated graphics, update both where applicable. After updating, restart to ensure the new drivers are fully loaded. Now verify your hardware against Adobe's official system requirements for After Effects. Confirm that your CPU supports the required instruction sets, you have enough RAM, and your GPU has the necessary RAM and feature support. If something falls below the minimums, the installer may refuse to proceed and upgrading hardware might be necessary before continuing. Before you try again, remove older versions of After Effects that might conflict with the installer. If a normal uninstall leaves remnants or fails, use the Adobe Creative Cloud Cleaner tool to remove lingering files and repair corrupt installations. Follow Adobe's instructions carefully, then restart your computer. When you are ready to install, right-click the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app and choose Run as Administrator on Windows. This helps avoid write permission issues during installation. Also, install After Effects to your primary system drive. Typically the C drive on Windows. Installing to a secondary or external drive can sometimes trigger error 195 due to permission or path issues. If the problem persists, uninstall the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app entirely. Restart your computer, then download and reinstall it from Adobe's official website. Once Creative Cloud is reinstalled and signed in, try installing After Effects again. Follow these steps carefully, and you should be able to resolve error code 195 and complete the installation. Thanks for watching.